morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College Lucknow. I am Shalini Mehrotra. Today children, my topic in English grammar is the articles. So let us start with the introduction of the articles. Now the words a, an and the are called as articles. A, an and the. We use a and an to talk about the things in general. Generally, when we use a, we are talking something in general. We use the articles a and an. These articles are called as indefinite articles. What are these articles called? A and an? Indefinite articles. We use the when we talk about a specific thing. When we are talking about some specific thing, it is called a definite article. The is also called as a definite article. We are talking about some specific thing. The article the is used. Now let us see when this article, what is the use of this article the and when it is used. When we talk about a particular noun, for example, the dog that bit me ran away. Previously I told you when we are talking about a specific thing. So a specific thing is the dog. This particular dog, we are talking about this particular dog. So we are using the article the. The dog that bit me ran away. Number 2, the sun and the moon. The sun and the moon are the specific things. And they are the heavenly bodies. They are the specific heavenly bodies. So we use the article the for the sun and the moon. Names of rivers, seas, mountains, etc. For example, the Ganges. When we are writing the names of some rivers, we always use the article the. It is a specific river, the Ganges or the Ganga. Before the names of books, newspapers, when we are talking about some specific books, we use the article. For example, the Panchtantra. Panchtantra is the name of a particular book. So we are using the article the. Before the names of buildings, monuments, when we are using the names of some buildings, some specific buildings, for example, the Red Fort. When we are talking about Red Fort, we will use the article the. It is a specific building. Before the names of the countries. Yes, when we are using the names of the countries, we use the article the. For example, the Maldives. Next, the article a and n is used. When we use the article a is used before a singular countable noun. When we use a single noun, single countable, we can count that noun. For example, he is a is an article. Banker. Banker is a single countable noun. I visited a zoo. Single countable noun. That is why we are using the article a in Delhi. Delhi is a particular place. Before a singular countable noun which starts with a vowel. Again, when we use a with when a singular countable noun. A noun is singular and it is also countable. We use a. He studies in a university. And it is also with the vowel. The noun is also with the vowel R, A, E, I, O, U. It is starting with the vowel and it is a countable noun. University. That is why we are using a as a article. The article an is used. When we use an as an article, before a singular countable noun which begins with the vowel sound. Singular countable noun and it is begin with the vowel sound means vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, and the noun is starting with these vowel. There we write the article an. She is an actor. Actor, noun, it is starting with the vowel A. That is why we are using an as an article here. They live in an igloo. Again, igloo is starting with I. I is a vowel. That is why we are using before this an. Next, when we use an before a silent H. Children, so many words are there with the silent H. For example, I will meet you in an hour. R में in R H is silent. We don't speak hour. We speak R. So before that we are using N. When we are writing a silent H, we use N as an article. He is an honest man. We never speak honest. Honest. H is silent and we are using the article N before the word honest. So, children, I hope this topic of article is very much clear to you all. Now read this, make the notes for the same and do write in the comment box if you have any problems. And take care of yourselves and goodbye.